Review of Bank of Baroda, the third largest public sector bank in India, started by the Maharaja of Baroda, Maharaja Shivaji Rao Gaikwad III, in July 1908. This bank was nationalized in 1969. The three-way amalgamation of Vijaya Bank, Dena Bank with Bank of Baroda made it the number 3 bank in India. Let's look at the numbers. This stock has rewarded its investors who were there staying with the bank with patience. So patience rewarded big time for Bank of Baroda investors. On the numbers, price rank is 22.3, very low. This happened because of the downside all the public sector banks took post the 2018 market slide down. Earnings rank is at 91, fantastic ranking. So that's what pushed the stock up, and stock has been doing extremely well in 2021. In 2020, the stock lied pretty low. It took a lot of time to catch up. So now it is running to take the cup. It's almost closer. When we plot the rank chart, 6 months back, Bank of Baroda ranking was at 5.9. Very, very bad shape. At the time, stock price was at 46.1. Now, 6 months later, stock price has climbed to 82 and price rank has come up to 22.3. So, these are stocks which are bought using the earnings rank alone with a breakout on the weekly charts. So, breakout came pretty early in the stock and it's been giving fantastic returns on the trade that has been on the run now. We'll look at it when we go to the charts. Coming to business, sales had a consistent upside, took a turn due to COVID. And now it's almost flat, it's not taken a big hit, while profits went through a seesaw ride and towards the right edge. September was the reversal from the bottom. December showed significant upside. Profits jumped big time. 83,000 crores of revenue on that 2,385 crores of profits. The same 3 years back, this bank had 825 crores of profits. Very high profit growth. That's what is pushing the stock up. And among the peer group, Bank of Baroda ranks the best on the profits that it is generating, while on the price side, IDFC First Bank is the leader. Bank of Baroda comes second, and between first and second there is a huge gap. So it's just after the budget that all the public sector banks are catching up pace. Here, this boy is pointing at the profit and seeing the sky. So for the speed that Bank of Baroda has growing its profits, looks like it will just keep going higher and higher and higher. That's what this image shows here. Though before the current run, bank had a seesaw move on its profit growth. It went down negative, close to minus 300%, climbed up above 100%, again dropped to minus 200%. Now it is climbing up. And one more pattern here we have to look at is twice when the profit growth became negative, then there forms a W pattern, near W pattern. When the W patterns are there, afterwards reversals will be very, very strong. That's what is happening here. Though sales is not picked up, he's yet to catch up on the sales. Margins are still at rest. Profits have been robust. This is a beautiful advantage, and already the stock has made significant gains on the growth that it has given to its investors. Coming to the investors, retail investors made the biggest in the stock. They stayed invested with patience, pouring water to their plant of investment very long, and that has been rewarded richly. While other investors, FIIs, did not participate, mutual funds have been selling the stock. So unfortunate, while retail investors have made significant gains on the stock. Coming to the charts, March lows itself was giving a alarm to the bulls, asking them to come and grab the stock. While after that, it took about 5 months for a breakout to happen. When that breakout comes with a beautiful pattern, as the stock kept moving lower and lower, it was totally lacking bear support. So, which was very clear, if the moment bulls step in, the stock will run up. That's what happened. In the last 4 months, the stock has been having a beautiful run. Trend reversal comes a little later. It happened in the month of November, somewhere around 50 levels, when the stock price was at 50-52 levels. Though it was late, it was a powerful run post the reversal. Current buy levels are at 61,867. Obviously, it is far away from the price where the stock is now because of the focus that government has given on public sector banks on the budget. All the public sector banks are doing well. Among them, those that are having attractive numbers will obviously run very high. So Bank of Baroda is one such stock. Looks like it will capture more peaks in the coming seasons. Coming to the numbers, about 38,000 crore market cap. Valuation is exactly half of what the sector is. That means that itself shows there is huge space to be covered. And 31 analysts are tracking this company or bank. Among them, 61 have given a recommendation to buy. See the target is 175. The stock price is at 85, 87 levels now. That means 100% gain from where it is now. Beautiful stock. You can just buy and just forget it for some time. It will keep rewarding. Performance against the broad market, against NSE 500 on the 1 year period, it is negative still. While 3 months, it's made fantastic move. More than 3 times returns than what NSE 500 gave in the 3 month period. Coming to 1 month, it is about again 4 times returns than what NSE 500 has given to its investors. Fantastic stock. Buy on declines, and target is really far away. Looks like with the performance that the bank is having, it should reach the target and maybe even go beyond that. So do your due diligence, get to know the risk, then commit your money on the stock. Thank you.